Number 3 is document everything. Do you guys know what that means by documenting everything? Write everything down, right? Take notes. That's why I had you guys pull out your notebooks. Document everything. A conversation that you have with somebody, a phone call that you have with a client, making sure you are writing all that information down, right? Because if that client comes back to you and you ain't got none of that stuff written down, guess what's going to happen?
They're going to move on. They don't want you to be...
Something going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to be a bunch of confusion. Exactly, right? So I use Google Docs. Google Docs. Yes, Google Docs. Make sure you are documenting everything, right? You know how you was talking about your business plan? Make sure you put that down on Google Docs, right?